Hi guys, thank you all once again for tuning in. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and like. This video is all about the wheelie machine, the Cuberg Freerider with this 14 kilowatts of power. What we're actually gonna do today is measure the top speed difference between the two sizes of sprockets. Beware of putting a larger front sprocket, has major influence on your acceleration. So I do want to mention I was tracking my speed with an app called Snelheidsmeter. It's a really convenient and free app available in the App Store for Android or iOS. It's not sponsored by any means, but it's just so handy that it tracks your history. You can put your cell phone in your bag and you can just have a look at your history and see what the top speed was, which is pretty handy.
Oh, what? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. 95.
Nee, dat is een...
1, 2, 3, 4, dus 8 tanden vergeleken. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14. Ja. Dat.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Speed is rond 2 met 8T van het wiel. So conclusion is it's way more aggressive with a smaller sprocket in front. I love it way more like this. I don't need the top speed. It's not legal to drive roads at those speeds. So I'm quite happy with 75 kilometers an hour if it pulls wheelies like any minute you like. So yeah, it's a bit difficult because I'm having issues now with the chain being a bit too loose. It's almost jumping off, so we need to have that fixed ASAP, as well as the brakes. So yeah, that's it for this week. We've got so much more videos to come. We're taking the Sur-ron to the track in 2 or 3 weeks. So please stay tuned, there are a couple of videos more planned. Hit the notification bell to stay alerted, and thank you for watching.